Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find my iPhone from another iPhone. Which means let's say you lost your iPhone and you want to find the iPhone which you lost from another iPhone which you have. Then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. First thing, you want to go to Safari browser. And on Safari browser, you want to open up your incognito mode. Now, if this iPhone is owned by you, you need to go in incognito mode. But let's say you're using your friend's phone. In that case, you don't want your data to be stored in your friend's phone, right? What you want to do is click on that little toolbox looking icon at the bottom right corner. And then where it says start page, click on it and choose private. Once you do that, you have gone into the private incognito browsing mode. Now click on the plus icon in the bottom left. And over here, search for lost iPhone. And after you search for lost iPhone, the first option, if your iPhone, iPad Touch is lost or stolen, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Apple support. And the first option where it says sign in to iCloud.com/find, which is in blue color, you want to click on that. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the iPhone finding page. Now over here, click on sign in and log in into your Apple account. Whichever Apple ID you have logged in into the iPhone you lost, you want to log in into that. So I will do that. And once you do that, it'll start finding and it's going to start locating. So let's wait for some time. And after it locates over here, it's going to show us where it is. So right now it's locating. It might take a bit of time, but as you guys can see, it has been shown in my map over here. Now I blurred the map because I don't want my location to be disclosed, but this is basically what it is. As you guys can see, my iPhone has been found and my AirPods has also been found. So just like that, you can find your lost iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.